Burundian will not accept to be killed as Congolese are being killed. Burundian, we are fighters. We are mobilized. Together, we know that we will respond if they attack us.
We understand that you held talks between yourself and Rwanda. What is the objective of those deliberations?
Today I can tell you that there is no talks, but we did talks before. 2020, I had initiative to resolve our problem between us with dialogue. And we agreed on many things. It was only the time of implementation. And when it was to implement is what Rwanda refused to do what he promised. And the people who did the coup was organized by Rwanda. They are living in the hand of Rwanda. This is only the problem. If Rwanda accepts to hand over them and to bring them to the justice, the problem will be finished. We don't have anything to ask to Rwanda. I asked him, tell us what the problem Burundi caused to you so that we can resolve it with dialogue. They don't say anything. They say, you closed the border. The border we closed because of that problem. It's not another problem. They don't have anything to ask to Burundi. But they refuse because they have a bad plan. They wanted to do what they are doing in the DRC. So we know that he has a plan to attack Burundi using those people. So
would you be able to defend
Burundi
yourself
also
if that were the case?
Is preparing himself that when they will attack us, we will attack them. But now we don't have any plan to attack Rwanda. We want to resolve that problem with dialogue. Is why when they wanted to attend Bujumbura, passing by East DRC, if Bujumbura is near when they pass by DRC, Kigali also is near when we pass by Kirundo, by the north. So the question can be, Rwanda can be the field of war, Burundi, the field of war, and the DRC also. So it will be regional. It's why we ask to the people who wanted to help to advise Rwanda to continue to advise him not to aggress the neighbor countries, because they don't know what will happen when they will attack Burundi. They don't know.
How best do you think the conflict in the DRC can be solved? Through talks or a full-on war?
I can say that the dialogue could be the first thing to do before the war. Imagine when you killed at each other. At the end, you accepted to go to dialogue. And will it be the resurrection of those who died? Why can't we resolve that problem peacefully before the war? So in DRC, when I analyze the object of conflict, I see that it is easy. If they accepted to sit on the table, all Congolese, I don't say this group or this group. The concern of DRC is the concern of all citizens of DRC. So the government could invite all opposition political parties, armed group, to sit together and to see together how they can create the best future for all citizens. According to what we did here in Burundi in the peace process, we decided to make a dialogue between Burundians without any exception, because Burundi belongs to all citizens. So when I look to what we did in Burundi, I think that even DRC is easy there to make a peace without any foreign power. Because the problem is internal problem. The solution will not come from outside. It will come from in the heart of Congolese. And the problem of between Rwanda and the DRC is a small problem. They can resolve it without killing people. They put on a table the problem and they resolve together. That's a problem. Why to kill people? For example, I hear Rwanda say is going there because of FDLR. But who are killed, I see, is Congolese. Congolese became FDLR. Why they kill Congolese when they say that they are looking for FDLR?